14:22 on Saturday the 28th of December 2024, and this is for your 14:26 1 Alpha 63 ScotRail service from Stranraer to Ayr. Off camera, I've waited just under an hour for this train to come. This convenience store here has rebranded since I last was here in February. Obviously, as I've mentioned a lot of times, I didn't film here but took photos. Well, filmed an intro. I'm going to do one more crossing after this, and you'll see it in this next clip. It's the one I wasted over an hour at, and to be honest, I regret that a lot. Actually, could be my imagination or what. There it is. One 56 510. 156 510 to Ayr.